I feel there's a lot of similarities between you and your cousin Ranbir Kapoor also.
Yeah, I know a lot of people say that also. He also is, I think, similar because he has an attitude and a confidence and an air that again is just nobody has, I think, in the Indian film industry. I'm very biased. I don't know if
No,
I'm biased, but
it's not.
I don't even actually think I'm biased because I genuinely think there's no one like Ranbir Kapoor.
It's those Raj Kapoor genes that have like trailed down.
He is so like a deadly combination, yeah, because Chintu uncle also such a fine actor, Neetu auntie is such a great actress. Plus he has उसमें तो पूरा कूट कूट के जो अंदर रखा है ना that उसमें पूरा भरा पड़ा है.
What do people not know about him? And or the question could be, how's he like as a brother?
I think Ranbir also is like, I find Ranbir and Saif also are very similar, extremely kind. Also, they have very kind eyes. Even Ranbir's eyes are very kind, you know, because he's genuinely. Also, I think he's a very no nonsense person. I think if he really likes you, he likes you. If he doesn't like you, he's a kind of person to, you know, he doesn't make too much of an effort then, you know. What you see is what you get. Extremely like loving, also very charming. I think that's why he has the entire nation dancing to his tunes. So I think that he's also very unique, I think, in a way.
I think if you're not charming, you can't have a film career because the charm shows up on screen, but you also need it in the off camera
Yeah, and
world.
it has to be natural. It can't be put,
Put
on.
on.
That put on, I think people pick up.
Hmm.
So I feel Ranbir has a very natural air to him.
Where did this darkness that we see in Animal come from? Like in his eyes, like the way he's delivering some of those scenes. Like I'm like, how did he become that person in that scene? Like, and I'll tell you the other way of asking the same question. The same thought has been pitched by me to Mukesh Chabra so on the show. I was asking about what creates a good actor, and then he was
Right.
like life experiences. Then it went into this whole nepotism like conversation, and then he said that, but the exception is Ranbir Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor. So I tried asking him, what's special about you guys? So he said that usually people who are good actors are also very empathetic. And perhaps empathy runs in that gene pool. That you can pick up other people's emotions much more easily.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I know this is like too deep.
No, but empathy is such an important aspect, you've said. It is. In your performance, to be empathetic towards another person and to feel that what the other characters are also feeling and to bring out that emotion is also so important. So empathy is very important in performances.